Linking your bank account to Qlik Cloud allows for seamless financial data integration and analysis. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Qlik Cloud account. Visit the Qlik Cloud website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the necessary information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Log into Qlik Cloud. Once your account is activated, log in using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features to ensure a smooth process. Step 3. Navigate to Data Connections. In a Qlik Cloud interface, locate the Data section on the dashboard. Click on Connections to access the area where you can add new data sources. Step 4. Select Bank Account Integration. Look for an option to add a new connection specifically for bank accounts. This may be labeled as bank account or financial data. Click on it to proceed with the integration process. Step 5. Enter bank account details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the qlik.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Qlik Cloud, allowing you to analyze your financial data effectively. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or customer support for assistance.